हेलो फ्रेंड्स, इट्स मी उर्मिला अग्रवाल। वेलकम टू बैक टेक्निकल उर्मी चैनल। और आज के हमारे वीडियो का टॉपिक है हाउ कैन वी क्रिएट अवर डेटाबेस इन एमएस एक्सेस सॉफ्टवेयर। इन दिस video we will talk about how can we create our forms are there, queries and reports. So let's start our today's video. So let's start our video here. We are opening here MS Access, and now window is coming and Office Access is here. First of all, I select blank data, then I will give a name here, writing student, and then click on create option. When you click on the create option, then this kind of the window will be appear here. You can see there IDs and by defaulting is coming, field is coming, and rest of you can be add here your new fields in a column part. So I'm just typing here name, and then when I clicking on the next field name, then it's asking, then click on OK. Now I'm giving here class, and then I have add these 4 fields are here. Now you can see I'm saving my file. Now I'm going to the datasheet view and click on view option there. Then design format will be appear, and then I'm selecting here my data type. Okay, if you want to be add a new row, then click on insert. Then I'm adding a new row is here, roll number. When I writing here dot, then it is taking the error. So just don't use the dot operator is here. We are writing here roll underscore number, and then I'm giving the data type is number. And now I'm going back in the view primary key. I'm just selecting my primary key here and change my primary key and click on roll number. Then it will be created as a primary key here. I'm adding a new field is here, that is in a date of birth, and then I'm giving here. Now I want to be delete it, so just go to delete row option and click here. Then you can be see there it will be removed. Now go back view option, and I'm selecting here design view. Now I'm entering here records. ID is taking the by default auto number because it's not selecting data type auto number, that is not using the sequence. And roll number में हमने number data type use किया था. I'm giving the roll number. Text is taking your text names field is taking your text data type, so you can easily names in a string. Now I'm adding here 4-5 records, so just enter here data. You can see there in a ID there is no by taking defaultly taking auto number is there 1 2 3 like ना. आप जितने भी रिकॉर्ड्स को ऐड करेंगे ये sequentially is taking your numbers are here. So we are just adding our records are here some, and you can see there in the right side there is a field properties also opening here. In the left pane you can see there is the content, how many tables you are opening. I am currently using only one table, that is a STU table name is. So now our data is ready. हमारी टेबल तैयार है, हमने इसमें डेटा स्टोर कर लिया, रिकॉर्ड्स को स्टोर कर लिया. Now just I am using ascending here and descending options. Okay, just select your column and according to that you can be use ascending and descending. I'm using here a filter option. Particular record you can be choose and use your filter option. If you don't want to be there, just go back in your option. I used advanced and just remove it and close, so you can be easily get your data is there. Now if you use find and go to options, then you can use here. Now I want to go to the create tab. In create tab we can use form, but before the adding the forms from create tab, I am using here from quick access toolbar. So we just go to the more commands option here and we select from here form and click on add button and OK. Now you can see there in a quick access toolbar there is a form option will be appear, and just select from your form is there. What is the work of the form? Form is taking your information and then you can easily add and update your record in a table. So you can see there our form is appear. Okay, if you want to be change your design style, you can be just go to there and select any kind of the format, and you can see there it will taking time. And now you can see there I want to be change the logo. Just go to here and use your logo option, and I'm selecting a picture from my picture gallery. Just choose a picture and click on open. Now you can see there is a logo is changed. Okay, if you want to be add the date and time, you can see there on the right side there is a date and time is appear on a screen. If you want to be choose in a border line, that you can be see there in the thick line. Now we are going to the create option. With the help of the creating if any table, then you can be use a table design and table option. Now I'm using here form option. In the form option we can go to the form tab, form group, and then we can be creating a form here. Now you can see there is my form is ready. Okay, next is form split. In the form split there is a table view and form view, both are the showing here. Again go to the create tab and then multiple item. You can see there these each and every item is now showing are here in a form view. And the next is more form. In more form you have to go to the form wizard, and this kind of the window will be appear. You select your fields or selecting the fields and click on next. Now you have to choose your wizard in the circular or tabular or justify any view. You can be I'm selecting here tabular form and then click. Now you can be select any format is there, then click on next option. I'm choosing this one. Then open within a or modify which one you want to be there. I'm choosing the previous and gave a name of your form wizard. Okay, now click on finish option. Now you can see now it will be appear here in your form option. Okay, now it's ready. Now you can see here your form. Okay, so I hope you can understand how can we create your form is there in the multiple ways. Next is you want to be search your record, then go to the search fields here in navigation bar and you can search easily any kind of the record is there. Okay, now we again going to create option, and in create tab we can be see there report. What is the use of the report? Report is an effective way to organize and summarize of your viewing or printing your data or records. Okay, now you can see your report is ready. In the right side you can see there is a date and time also is showing. If you want to be choose anything here, you can choose and select and change your properties of your reports. Okay, now next we use here report wizard, and just go to here again in create option In create option, in create tab, we will select form group, and in form group we will select form wizard. Now form wizard will be appear in front of you. Now you have to be select your fields. Just click on next option. Now again click on next options. And now if you want to be select one by one your fields, then select according to ascending and descending order. After the clicking next option, you can see there is asking about which kind of the format you want to be choose. I'm choosing here tabular or option, and which kind of the orientation you want to be choose according to requirement you choose, and click on next. Now which kind of the format you want to be applied of style, I'm selecting this one and click on next. Then you can see your preview is there and click on finish. Now preview is appearing. Okay, if you don't want to be preview, just click on close here, and now your data will be ready. Now if you want to be page layout setting, then you can go to the page layout setting and then click on OK. Now we are creating the query. What is the use of the query? Query we can be used for the viewing and summarize and analyzing our specific data. So just go to create tab and then go to other group in query option. Now query wizard will be appear. I'm using here simple wizard, and then add our fields are here. Click on next option. Okay, when I click here in next tab, then it will be asking about summary view or data existing. I'm clicking on next here, data existing. Then it's taking about asking about the name of your query. I'm writing here student name. Then it will be asked in which format you want to be there. You can see there my query is ready. If I want to be change and update, I can be analyze my specific data also. Next is in again go to the create and go to the other group and query wizard. In query wizard it asking about the tables. I'm selecting my table and then giving the particular fields which one I want to be use in my queries. Okay, जिन पे भी आपको query generate करानी है you can use. एंड सॉर्ट में आप असेंडिंग डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर ले सकते हैं. क्राइटेरिया, व्हाट इज़ द यूज़ ऑफ द क्राइटेरिया? इट डिटरमाइंस हाउ कैन बी यूज़ द फिल्टर रिकॉर्ड्स अबाउट द क्वेरी. ठीक है, सो आई एम यूजिंग हेयर इक्वल्स टू एंड देन रिकॉर्ड नंबर 3 दिया था आईडी का मैंने, सो इट विल बी शोइंग द माई आईडी इज़ देयर. ओके, if I choose here multiple tables, अगर मेरे पास multiple tables होती then how can we do? So just go to the create and creating a table here, new table, or go to the design view, giving a name of your table is there, and then click on save. Now I am using here ID option, and other is fname. Fname is a field name that is in a representing the father name, and selecting data type is in a text here. So just go to our design view, datasheet view, that is the default view is there. Okay, now I'm adding here some data, and ID is taking by default your numbers because I'm choosing there auto number, that is not showing your data in a sequential order. So just adding some record, and now we are doing our work. Go to the create tab and other group and query wizard option. Now you can see here and add both tables. Okay, now it's creating a relationship between the both tables are here. You can see ID both are the connected. Then I am choosing here ID option from STU, roll number and marks, and another is in a from table stu1. There I'm using their father name. You can choose here sorting option, criteria option according to your requirement. Okay, and then you can see your data is there easily. How can we use two tables easily and merging them, and how can we use their data for query. So I'm giving in the marks option equals to greater than 50. Now you can see there is no data because greater than यूज़ किया था हमने क्राइटेरिया में. Okay, now I hope you like this video, and now your all the queries are clear. How can we do this? Please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.